Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your Binomo account and completing verification. This unlocks deposits and withdrawals. Once done, switch immediately to demo mode and run about 20 practice trades to learn timing and interface. Fund your live account with $10, $50. This keeps losses manageable while you learn. You should decide a fixed risk per trade, for example, 1% of your balance, and stick to that rule. Doing these steps first sets a controlled foundation and prevents emotional mistakes later. You now focus on a simple, repeatable strategy. Open a 5-minute chart, add EMA 9 and EMA 21 plus RSI 14 to confirm momentum. Once both indicators align, enter a trade with a fixed stake size and set duration of 3-5 candles to reduce noise. Make sure to use stop rules mentally and avoid overtrading after a loss. After each trade, log entry, exit, result, and how you felt. This habit improves decisions and clarifies what works for you. You finish by scaling cautiously. Only increase stakes after at least 10 profitable sessions and consistent edge. Once you reach that point, raise size in small increments. Keep a 2% daily loss limit and a 5% daily take profit target to lock gains. Maintain a trading journal to track progress and emotional patterns. If performance dips or the app behaves oddly, revert to demo, review your last 50 trades and indicator settings, and only go live again when you've fixed the identified mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.